Side egg exhaust. Look at this traction bars. That's pretty sick. It's a full bolt-on Coyote F-150. Cobra jet intake. What exhaust you running, Phil?
Custom X-Pipe dual Borla mufflers, like lightning style.
Nice.
Come back here and look at this first. I like it.
Just dropped it 5 inches, so it's nice and low. That's the eventual plan. It's gonna get tuned on nitrous soon. This is an XLT, right? XL. As base as you can get it to be light.
It's very rare to find an XLT in a single cab. You have to like special order it. That's the highest trim you can get.
So it's a 5.0 XL regular cab short bed.
Single cab short bed.
And you made how much to the tire? Like 450?
462.
462 to the tire.
No nitrous.
And that's through a 10R80.
Check it out.
Pretty ridiculous.
Yeah, so if it was, and now it's in 5th gear.
Not to mention the Sweet RX-7.
He doesn't dyno in 7th because the drive shaft.
Yeah.
So I did all that.
That is
Just
ridiculous.
the TPS wiring on the nitrous.
And how much do you want to spray? 125?
It's 150.
150. Alright, we're gonna do a cold start.
Be over on this side.
Yeah, I saw the exhaust. So just exit out this side, right? Just like a Lightning?
Yeah. Yeah, so look how it's going for.
And look over there.
Alright, ready?
That's gonna be one of the sickest Vipers in the country. More on that later. That was surprising. That's pretty ridiculous. XL Sport.
It's got the Raptor wheel with the paddles at work.
Oh yeah, that's sick.
Center console swap, sync 3 swap.
So it used to be an XL.
Ford performance wheels.
And you're running stainless works. Stainless works long tubes. You can see all the way down. You said no mufflers?
No, it's got Borla.
Okay.
Borla straight throughs, 3-inch in and out. You can see them on the side. It's got the tow package. Took the front lip off. Put a carbon lip on there. Like a splitter.
Yeah.
The EcoBoost 3.5, this is open, so I got to get the EcoBoost cover, just more airflow.
Yeah, absolutely. There, give it some RPMs. Let's hear it a little bit.
Right now we're on a sitting at E81.
E81.
Got the engaged.
Nice. Ridiculous. Beautiful. Nice and low. Yeah, once you're on the spray, you're gonna be hunting trackhawks, I think. I think you'll be right in that area.
Stock
Sick.
one. And then we'll check it out just to show you. So see how it's in first.
Okay.
See, now we're in second. See, they work.
Nice.
Cool.
Yeah. That's awesome. A lot of custom tuning to get this thing to work.
The black is the last piece I gotta change. Oh, you'll like this too. I'll switch spots with you. Hold on.
To get those paddles to work must have been a mission, huh?
Not too bad. hop in and, well, see this?
Oh,
Like that, and then we slide this forward. It's all concealed.
that's awesome. This
So
is gonna
that's
be
pressure we're at.
This is gonna be insane.
Here, I'm gonna shut it off.
So arming switch.
Arming, purge, heater.
Yeah, this is sweet, man. This is sweet. This is one of the nicest F-150s I've ever seen, man. This is sick.
Full lariat, special edition swap interior.
Yeah, amazing. Alright, so more videos coming soon. Your best time was 12.7?
Yeah, that was on E50.
So 12.5 in good weather, 12.4 maybe? Alright, good deal.